Adam with Team Box Breaks here, ready for our second break of the night. We got 2010 Topps Platinum Football. So let's get started. Good luck to everybody on this. Last box we had a bonus autograph. Let's see if we'll get lucky enough to have that happen on this one. Or just some nice autographs would be nice. Something high end, a little Bradford, Tebow, Des Bryant, Sue. We'll take them. 24 packs, 5 cards per pack. No bonus autograph right on the top like the last box. Darn. Suppose though, can't get that lucky twice in a row. We get 2 autograph rookie refractors and 1 autograph patch relic per box. We got 1 empty box and all of our packs. Let's get started. Good luck to everybody. Kevin Kolb, Brandon Marshall, Troy Polamalu, CJ Spiller, CJ Spiller rookie, Taylor Price rookie. Tony Romo, Anquan Bolden, Adrian Peterson, Aaron Hernandez rookie, Ryan Matthews rookie. Ooh, this one feels thick. We have our first hit already. Steven Jackson. We have our first hit. Seattle Seahawks, Golden Tate, autograph patch rookie. Nice card, whoever had the Seahawks. Very nice pull. Dexter McCluster rookie, stuck together here. Jonathan Dwyer rookie, and Tom Brady. Randy Moss, Michael Crabtree, Sean Green, Emmanuel Sanders rookie, Charles Scott rookie. Ed Reed, Drew Brees, Darrelle Revis, Jacoby Ford rookie, Colt McCoy rookie, and a checklist. Calvin Johnson, Thomas Jones, Muhammad Massaquoi, Jimmy Graham rookie, Andre Roberts rookie. Vince Young, Matt Schaub, LaShawn McCoy, Earl Thomas rookie, Joe McKnight rookie. Marion Barber, Rashard Mendenhall. We have Jacoby Ford, blue refractor rookie, numbered to 599. Nice pull, whoever had the Raiders. Very nice looking card. Oh, Derek Morgan, almost forgot to finish the pack. Rookie, and Terrell Owens. Larry Fitzgerald, Josh Freeman, Matthew Stafford, Desmond Briscoe, rookie, and David Reed, rookie. Antonio Bryant, Matt Castle, a Marty Gilliard, thick refractor rookie. I believe these are numbered. No, they are not. Just thick refractor rookie. Jonathan Crompton rookie. Des Bryant rookie. Mike Wallace, Ryan Grant, Ronnie Brown, Armani Edwards rookie, Montario Hardesty rookie. checklist. Miles Austin, Jason Witten, Brett Favre, Carlton Mitchell rookie, Toby Gerhart rookie. Checklist. Cadillac Williams, Braylon Edwards, Tony Pike rookie, Riley Cooper rookie, Andre Johnson. Marquez Colston, Dallas Clark, DJ Williams, a Jonathan Dwyer white refractor numbered to 499 rookie, Jimmy Clausen rookie. Ray Rice, DeMarcus Ware, Damian Williams rookie, Jermaine Gresham rookie, Sidney Rice. Deshaun Jackson, Dwayne Bowe, Mike Sims Walker, Zach Robinson rookie, Jordan Shipley rookie. Carson Palmer, Santana Moss, Reggie Bush, Aurelius Ben rookie, Golden Tate rookie. Looks like we're down to 7 packs or so. Chad Ochocinco, Ricky Williams, Beanie Wells, Sean Canfield rookie, Rob Gronkowski rookie. Steve Smith, James Harrison. Looks like we've got our next hit. Is a Riley Cooper autograph, numbered out of 1099, autograph rookie Riley Cooper. Nice hit, whoever had the Eagles. Javid Best rookie, Jamal Charles. Roddy White, Percy Harvin, Peyton Manning, Anthony McCoy rookie, Mike Kafka rookie. Matthew Stafford, Antonio Bryant, Matt Castle, CJ Spiller refractor rookie numbered to 999, nice pull for the Bills, and Ndamukong Suh rookie. Maurice Jones-Drew, Brandon LaFell rookie refractor thick variation, Gerald McCoy rookie, Ben Tate rookie, Darren McFadden. 2 packs to go. Cedric Benson, Frank Gore, Pierre Thomas, Marty Gilliard rookie, Demarius Thomas rookie, and a checklist. Last pack. Good luck to everybody. Brian Cushing, Jerome Harrison, Aaron Hernandez, thick rookie card refractor variation, Rolando McCrane rookie, Brandon LaFell rookie. And that concludes our break of 2010 Platinum. Congratulations to everyone who had hits. Next weekend, I believe we're going to do another 2010 Platinum football and 2010 Unrivaled football and a couple more yet to be determined. So check out the website for details.